Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this eyeshadow look that I did using the Dose of Colors Blushing Berries palette. I used mainly one color in the palette and just thought it was an easy eye look for someone to do if they, wanted to do something simple for work or maybe for a Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner or something like that. So if you are interested in learning how to do this eye look, then keep on watching. Using the Dose of Colors Blushing Berries palette. This palette I got from BoxyCharm some time ago, and this is what it looks like. Nice berry colors ranging from very light all the way down to I believe this is a black. I do believe that this is a black, but it's a nice palette with colors in the berry family. And I know you noticed that I already have my face done. I wanted to just do something quick so that I can get more videos up. And so we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. So I'm gonna be, like I said, I'm gonna be using one color for this look. And so we're gonna use this color right here. There are names on the back, and I'll put that down in the description bar. But I can't read it right now because I don't have my glasses on. You guys know I can't see. All right, so I'm just gonna take this Coastal Scents tapered blending brush. I'm gonna use this brush for most of the look. So I'm just gonna dip this in that color, and I'm gonna take that right into my crease. And I did base my crease with, I just took my concealer up there when I did my concealer, and I set it with powder. And so that's what you see there. And so once I have put that color in my crease, I'll take a little bit more and just build that color up in my crease. And then I'm just dragging it over to the inside corner of my eye, just following the shape of my crease. I am gonna take a little bit more, and the way I'm blending it, I'm just kind of doing little circular motions, and I am dragging it up toward my brow. Now I'm gonna wipe my brush off just a little bit, and I'm gonna blend around that top edge of that color. And because I want just a little bit more color up toward my brow bone a little bit, like right here in this area, I'm gonna take just a little bit more and place it right here. I'm just taking that same color that I started with, and that's what I'm going to use to kind of blend around up here, just to bring a little bit more of that color up. And again, I'm just doing circular motions, bringing it in toward the corner of my eye, bringing it up just a little bit. Now, once I get the amount of color, or once I get the amount of color that I want, or the look that I want for that, then I'm going to take my same brush, and I'm going to take the same color, and for the flat part of the brush, I'm just going to put that into the color, and I'm going to take that color all over my lid. Right up to the crease. just like that. I'm going to take my small detailer brush here, and I'm going to take that lighter pink. I know I said it was one color, but the majority of it is one color, but I just want to take this, a little bit of that lighter color, and I'm going to put it right in the inner corner of my eye. I'm not going to drag it up or anything. I'm going to make sure it blends in with that other color. But I'm just going to put it in that inner corner just to kind of lighten that up a little bit. And really, you can barely see it. But just like that. Now, basically, the look is done. I'm just going to take this fluffy brush and blend around the outer edge of that color again, just to make sure that it's nice and smooth. Now that I've done that, I'm going to apply my eyeliner. I'm using the e.l.f. H2O Proof Eyeliner Pen. And this is in, I think it's in jet black. And I'm going to give myself a tiny little wing. Here. The lashes that I'm going to be using today are by Lashaholic. And they are in the style Insta Glam. This is what they look like. And I'm actually going to speed through this part, but I am going to put it on camera. I'm going to go ahead and put the glue on it, go off camera and put the glue on it and let that glue get tacky, and then I'll be back to apply the lash. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and apply my lash now. Just squeezing my lash and the false lash and my lashes together. All right. So now that I have that lash on, I'm going to go ahead and apply the mascara to my bottom lashes. Or my bottom lash on this side, rather. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to take that small detailer brush. And I'm going to take the same color that I applied to my lid and place that under my bottom lash line. Just like that. And now I'm going to take my e.l.f. lengthening, my waterproof lengthening and volume mascara, lengthen and volume mascara, and apply it to my bottom lash line, my bottom lashes. All right, now I'm gonna go off camera and do this eye, and I will be right back. All right, guys, so I'm back. I got my lashes on and finished this other eye. For my lips, I am going to be using the combination of the L'Oreal Paris Infallible matte liquid lipstick from the Le Chocolates collection. This is Box of Chocolates. And I'm also gonna be pairing that with the Colourpop lip pencil in BFF3. So I really do, and so I'm just gonna be lining my lips. And I was about to say, I like the L'Oreal liquid lipsticks, even though they are matte, they're not a dry matte. So I really like those. If you don't like the dry mattes, I think this is a good one to try. All right. This is almost like a gray, not really a gray, but more of a pale, almost like a gray mauvey pink type of color. That's the only way I can describe it. I'm not good at describing colors. But it's a nice nude for brown skin. I'm not going to top that with any gloss. I'm just going to kind of leave it like it is. And to finish off my look, I'm going to be putting my blush on. I didn't do that before. For blush, I'm using something that is not actually a blush, my Becca Sunlit bronzer in Maui Nights. Okay, might have gone a little overboard over here. As you see, I like blush and bronzer. All right, for my highlighter, I've used the e.l.f. highlighter. I forgot what the color is, but I will have it listed down below. And I'm going to place that on the tops of my cheeks, as well as the bridge of my nose. And my Cupid's bow. All right, so that is the finished look. I like to do these one color eyeshadow looks because they don't take as long. This is something easy that you can do if you have to, if you're going to work and you want to wear some makeup to work, or even if you're going to church or a family gathering or something, this would have been something perfect for Thanksgiving, and it's something perfect for Christmas dinner if you don't want to do something that's going to take a long time. So guys, I have listed all of the products that I used in the description box. I hope you like this look. I hope you try it. You don't have to use the Dose of Colors palette. It is a very nice palette. But honestly, I don't know if I would have purchased this if I had not received it in BoxyCharm. So you don't have to use this palette. There are lots of other palettes that have similar colors that you could use. Here's the palette again. I used this color right here, this deep pink color. And so there are plenty of other palettes that you could choose or purchase from the drugstore, from Ulta, wherever, or something that you may already have that will give you the same look. So guys, again, I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it with others, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.